the four-head corner crimping machine be used for corner punching combination of aluminum window and door. 4 corners connecting at one time is available, which greatly increased the production efficiency. Adopt CNC system can realize automatic and accurate locating, thus can produce high accuracy windows. Wide profile processing range due to convenient corner crimping cylinder setting. Suitable for various kinds, high quality and high volume windows production. In the video, you can see that the corners of the windows are firmly connected, and the appearance of the connection is very good. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you want more details and information, please email us. We will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.